Earning an income while you sleep is the best way to make money. We have a business opportunity for you. This property generates a passive income. Let's go take a look at it.
I'm Heather Odekirk with the Covenant Group at RE/MAX Affiliates Marquee, and we're here today with a unique business opportunity for entrepreneurs seeking to diversify their portfolio. This car wash sits on a large corner lot in a prime location that guarantees constant customer traffic. It's the perfect turnkey investment, generating a consistent stream of passive income without the hassle of managing employees. The mixed-use zoning allows for multiple uses on the same property, providing flexibility for future expansion or changes in the market. Only a few blocks from the busy downtown core and Cornwall's prestigious waterfront park. This is an excellent location in a developing area. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to expand your business portfolio or a first-time investor seeking a profitable venture, this turnkey investment is sure to meet your needs. Call us today for more information.